Do you want to know how to say hi in German? Yes. Okay, so then you'll have to know greetings. How do I say hello in German? Do you just say hi? No, Olivia. You can say hi, but if you want to learn German, you say hallo. Hallo! If you want to be formal, you say Guten Tag, which means good day. Guten Tag! How do I say how are you? How are you? No, Olivia, that's English. If you want to say it in German, you say Wie geht's dir? Wie geht's dir? Olivia, you can say Hallo, wie geht's dir? Okay, so that is hello, how are you? And I am fine in German is mir geht es gut. Olivia, do you want to know how to say what's your name in German? Yes. Okay, so what's your name in German is Wie heißt du? Wie heißt du? So then you can say Hello, wie heißt du? She said hello. What's your name? Olivia, do you know how to say my name is in German? Ich heiße Olivia. Bye is tschüss. Tschüss. Goodbye is auf Wiedersehen. Auf Wiedersehen. Bye. Auf Wiedersehen. Bye.